Hello! Welcome to our channel, or if you're new, welcome to Kristy's Hacks and Challenges. Today's hack, we're so excited. It's going to be so much fun, and it's a photography hack. And in this photography hack, we're going to be using fire and newspaper and really cool angles. So we're excited to show you this today. And at the end, we're also going to show some little tips and tricks. Oh my God, so excited to show you that as well.
And stick around till the end of the video to see our secret tips and tricks for what we use for video and picture editing. And please, if you are younger, please have a parent or be safe with fire. This photo shoot can be very dangerous. We have practice and the fire can come at you. It can be close to your hands. Be careful with it, please, but also have fun.
Also, if you like our video, please, of course, like and subscribe, and we're excited to show you. Let's get on to the video.
First step, you just want to rip like a triangle out of the newspaper.
And then, I'm gonna slightly light it on fire. If it'll light. It's gonna do the bottom corners first so the flame goes up.
Important thing to remember, where wind is not is the best place to do this. Wind can be dangerous. It could blow it towards you.
And let's get ready. It's like burning. Yeah. And it's a wrap. Oh, I just love that fire glow. Now, as promised, here are those tips and tricks, and we're going to show you in these apps. The first app is going to be an editing app. It's called A Color Story. This is a personal favorite of mine that has a lot of variety, and a tip I would use is contrast. It gave really good definition for my face and the fire. Also, this app is free, but if you want some extra stuff, you have to pay for some upgrades.
And this Android app is called Point Blur, and you can blur the background, and as you see here, you have different levels of blurriness, if that's a word. And you could also change the circle size and also coloring, and I don't even know what happened there. And then you could save the photo. We hope you guys enjoyed our photography video and got some ideas on how to be creative and step out of the box.
And if you like the tips and tricks that we shared with you, please comment below if there's any specific ones you would like in the future. We would love to share.
Yes. And please subscribe to our channel for more hacks and challenges. We upload every Saturday. And stay tuned for our next video. Thank you guys. Much love.